You're my hero.
I think she's a dryer.
I'm a dryer.
I think
Do I get this off my
Oh no! Dryer monster! Dryer monster! Keep going. Dryer monster! Dryer monster! No, little girl, what will you do with the dryer monster? You died. Get down there.
The floor's kind of dirty.
This is how they know we're American. You don't see the Japanese people doing that in here. This is how they point us out. Can you please walk around like the bathhouse like that?
Hey, I think it dropped something.
Just like
dryer
casually,
monster.
just like walk around like if nothing's going on. Just be like casual.
Casual making dryer noises.
Oh God, am I amazing or what? Oh.